Hey there, my name is Joe Walker, Vice President of Sales here at Solesbee's and Auger Torque USA. I've been with the company just over a year and a half now. Well, we got a really good group of people that work here. You know, the guys in the shop, very diverse. The support up front, some good people. Everybody gets along really well, no issues there. I do really like getting out and seeing the customers. We got a large customer base all over the place, so get to see a lot all the time and work closely with the customers and end users. It's really exciting also with some of the new products we brought out this last year to go out there, help with the installation, make it work and see how our customers react to it. Obviously hanging out with my family, spending time with them when I'm not traveling for work. We like to travel, see new places. I really like to cook, and I really like to eat also. So just going out, checking out new places. I like to cook outside, more grilling. I'm not much of a baker, but I like to cook outside. I'm not sure I've got a favorite attachment, but I am excited about some of the new stuff that we've been manufacturing and putting out there. Specifically, the Trinity is what we call it, bucket, thumb, and coupler combo. I got the first one out just recently, getting some feedback on that. I'm also really excited about the larger earth drills that we're starting to push harder on, as well as the 4-in-1 buckets and hydraulic rear rippers for the skid steers. So some of the biggest challenges I have is, we have many different departments and many different customers, all over the place, and balancing priorities between different customers, what we need as a business, what our guys in the shop need to get their job done, and making sure we get everything done that needs to be and doing the right things. So just balancing many priorities across multiple parties. I guess my advice to anybody new in the industry would be open, willing to listen and learn from everybody around you. There's a lot of experience here, not only within Solesbee's, but many of our customers and end users out there. Experience that was learned over a long time. Not always the easiest experiences to get that knowledge, so be open and listen.